Hello, and it's a pleasure to be joined today by Deb Sochen. Deb is an accredited change practitioner with extensive experience in the public sector, and she is also the presenter of the upcoming LGPro Future Local Government Workshop, Cultural Change, Creating Clarity and Consistency. Deb, great to have you with us today. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Julia. Thanks so much for having me. I'm really excited to speak to everyone next week about change.
And it is a fascinating area to which you come with some really valuable experience in the public sector. So I'd love to hear a little bit more about your background in this space and what led to the work that you're doing now.
Yeah, I started actually my management career in public sector, so for federal government. And as you do in government, you move and you bounce from different teams to different departments, and you really get such a good feel for different methods. You're exposed to so much change, and I actually think government especially are the best equipped to deal with change, because we deal with change so much in government. So after years and years of being in government and being within change and being either subject to change or managing change while I was doing my operational duties, I decided it was time to branch out, go externally, and now I consult to a range of different clients, one of which is public sector, but also some private sector, healthcare, and different corporates, and I love it.
Oh, excellent. And in this particular session on cultural change, what can our participants expect?
Hopefully a bit of fun, but we are going to do some work. So what I'd love to leave people with is some really practical tools that they can use tomorrow, the day after the workshop, to really start articulating change, because as leaders, that's really what's expected of you when you're part of a change. People will look to you for guidance, for reassurance, for support. So it's really important that you understand the change, you feel comfortable with it, and that you have a really good plan to execute it. So I'm going to give some practical tools. Love to share some stories, because there's going to be so much wisdom in the room that I'd love to hear about. So I'd love to make sure people get a lot out of it in the short 2 hours we have together. I'm going to really jam pack it with some good stuff.
Absolutely, yes, it's going to be a fantastic session, and we're so lucky to have you on board. It's a really well-timed session as well. So thank you so much, Deb, and we look forward to seeing you very soon at the next Future Local Government Workshop.
Thank you, likewise.